In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Exness. If you prefer using the platform in your native language or you're sharing a device with someone who does, switching the interface language takes only a moment and makes navigating your account much clearer. I'll walk you through the process and share a few quick tips to avoid common hiccups. First, head to Exness in your web browser and open your personal area, the dashboard where you manage trading accounts and settings. This works on both desktop and mobile browsers. For the smoothest experience, make sure your browser is up to date and that any automatic page translators are turned off for now, so you're changing the site's language, not a temporary browser translation. Once the page loads, look to the top bar on the right-hand side. You'll see a small globe or world icon in the header, usually near your profile and notifications. That globe is the language selector. Click or tap it to open the language menu. If you don't immediately spot the icon, try widening your browser window, resetting zoom to 100%, or on smaller screens opening the main menu so the top bar elements become visible. With the language menu open, you'll see a list of available languages written in their native names. Scroll if needed, then choose the language you want. The interface updates right away. Navigation labels, buttons, and settings will switch to the language you selected. On some pages, you might notice the change after a quick refresh, which is normal. If you accidentally pick a language you can't read, just click the globe again in the same spot and select English, or look for the option labeled English in the list. A few helpful notes. Your language preference generally saves to your profile, so the site should remember it next time you sign in on the same browser. If the text doesn't change as expected, clear any active browser translation and try again, or refresh the page. Also, date, number, and regional formats may adjust to match the language, which can make balances and times easier to read. That's all there is to it. Go to Exness, open the globe icon on the top right, and choose your preferred language. This small change can make managing your accounts faster and more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate with confidence.